Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to post a tweet to your X account, formerly known as Twitter, on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for X. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Wait for that to load. Now let's go to twitter.com, which now points to x.com. We have a shortcut on the bookmarks tab. Click on X. Takes us directly to our account. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now, as we are on our profile, we can just go to post. The question is, what is happening today? We can filter this to everyone or communities that you may be a part of. Let's just keep it to everyone. I'll just say this is Computer Science Videos. How's the day been so far? If we wish to, we can attach an image, add a GIF, have a voting poll, add some emojis, schedule, post this tweet for another day, or save it to the drafts. Let's now click on post. Let's scroll down and then we have that tweet. This is Computer Science Videos. How's the day been so far? Depending on how big the account is, or if you promote a tweet, it may be then broadcasted to a wide audience on the platform. Let's refresh the page. And then we have some audience that have tuned into that tweet itself. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.